So now we will do the problems on speed and time. So in this speed and time concept, from linear equations how the problems will come, how to solve. So I'll explain you two type of sums. So similarly you can do the remaining problems also. This is one and this one question. These two questions I'll explain now. For example, this first one, okay, if you observe here, Rajan travelled 320 kilometers by train and 180 kilometers by car, taking 7 hours. So by traveling in these two, train and car, is traveling 7 hours, is taking 7 hours time in the different distance. But if he travels 160 kilometers by train and 240 kilometers by car, he takes 1 hour less. So 1 hour less means is nothing but 6 hours. Previously I taken 7 hours. Okay, because of 1 hour less, if you traveled in this way 160 kilometers by train and 240 kilometers by car, it's taking 1 hour less, that is 6 hours. So find the speed of the train and speed of the car also. So here is unknown variables are train and car speed. So we should take, let the speed of the train and the car will be x and y kilometers per hour. Okay, we take the problem. Let speed of a train be, so this will take as x kilometers per hour, x kmph, that is x kilometers per hour. And similarly speed of car, speed of the car is, will be taken as y kilometers per hour. Okay, now we know the formula speed distance time relation. So we have relation between speed, distance and time. Speed is equals to distance by time. Okay, this is the main formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. From this only time is equals to distance by speed. Distance divided by speed. Therefore, distance is equal to time into speed. Then distance is equal to time into speed. These three formulas. Then distance is equal to time into speed. So which is required that we can use. Here they are taking 7 hours first case. So we'll use the time because total time is 7. That is distance by speed. Okay, then first case, the train distance is 320 kilometers. Okay, this is 320. That is distance by speed. Speed is train speed is you are taken x kilometers per hour plus again second time by car is 180 kilometers is distance and car speed is y. That is equal to 7 hours. Okay, time is equal to distance by speed formula. Okay, distance by speed plus distance by speed. That means 320 by x is the total time taken by a train and 180 by y is the time taken by car. Total is equal to 7. Okay, let it be equation 1. Similarly, if it travels 160 by train and 240 kilometers by car, that means 160 by x plus 240 by y is equal to 6 because 1 hour less it is. Okay, this is 1. Now this is x and y both are in denominator places. You can use, let 1 by x is u and 1 by y is equal to v concept. So as I explained starting, let 1 by x is u and 1 by y is equal to v, and we will solve the u v values. Otherwise if you observe the values here, you can elimination also can do. 320 and 160. 160 we divide by multiply with 2, it becomes 320, right? That's why you can do second equation multiply with 2 number first. You can take it as 1 by x is u and 1 by y is v also. Otherwise, because the numbers are simple, I'm taking directly. Second equation, first equation is as it is, 320 by x plus 180 by y is equals to 7. And here second equation multiply with 2. That means this also 320 by x because 160 into 2 is 320 plus 240 into 2 is 480 by y is equal to 6 2 is 12. You just subtract this both, you'll get y value, because the x value we can eliminate. Okay, this is minus, minus and minus. We can eliminate this, cancel both. 180 by y minus 480 by y. Okay, 180 by y minus 480 by y is equal to 7 minus 12 is minus 5. From this 1 by y you take common. Take 1 by y is common. 180 minus 480, that is minus 300, is equals to minus 5. Then 1 by y is equals to minus 5 by minus 300, because multiplying. Cancel this. 5 ones are 5, 6 are 30, 60. That is equal to 1 by 60. 1 by y is 1 by 60, means y is equals to 60. Right? So y is, you have taken speed of the car. So speed of the car is 60 kilometers per hour. So speed of car 60 kilometers per hour. Now we should find out x value. This y value, substitute any one of the equation, you'll get x. So I am substituting in 1. So y is equal to 60, substitute in equation 1. So from 1, that implies 320 by x plus 180 by y. Y is 60, is equal to 7. 61s are 63s are 180. So 320 by x is equal to 7 minus 3 is 4, plus 3 take right side. Then x is equals to 320 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 8. So 80 it is. That means speed of the train is 80 kilometers per hour. Therefore, speed of train. So because speed of the train, you have taken x kilometers per hour. So 80 kilometers per hour. Right? Just you should prepare the question thoroughly, and means we need to see the apply formula, which formula can apply. Whenever it's given time, you take the time formula only. So if the speeds are given numbers, you can take the speed, right? This way you can solve. And let me explain you one more problem using these three formulas like speed, distance, time. How we'll solve this one more question. Mostly the problems will come in these two methods. If you understand the concept, means what formula should apply, you can do any number of questions like this. Okay, let's see this, how to do. If you observe, a train covered at certain distance at uniform speed. So speed of the train is uniform, means the same speed they are continuing maintaining throughout the journey. Okay. If the train had been 6 kilometers per hour faster, it would have taken 4 hours less. Okay, if the speed is increased, it take less time. Less than 4 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train had been slower by 6 kilometers per hour, it would have taken 6 hours more than scheduled time. Find the length of the journey. So length of the journey means you should find out distance. So let the original speed of the train x and time taken is y hours, because distance is equal to, if you observe here, distance is time into speed. So we need to take x and y, time and speed. Right, now we will take, let the original speed of the train, because original speed, afterwards they are changing some speed and time. Let original speed of the train, original speed of the train be x kilometers per hour. Similarly, time taken, so time taken is, so let the original time taken be y kilometers per hour. So speed is x and time is y. Then distance is equal to speed into time, you know it. Therefore, distance, then, so distance is equal to speed into time, that is x into y, kilometers. So distance is only kilometers. These are the three values. Now based on the question, we'll make case 1 and case 2. If you observe first one, you observe when the speed is increased and time is getting decreased. Okay, then distance is never changed, distance is same always. The train had been 6 kilometers faster and time is 4 hours less. Then that means distance is equal to x into y. When speed is x plus 6, because original is x, now plus 6 kilometers per hour, and time is 4 hours less than the original. That means y minus 4 hours. Then distance is equal to this product of this both. Therefore distance, speed into time, that is x plus 6 into y minus 4. But distance is x into y, right? Because there is not change. Now x plus 6 into y minus 4 you multiply, that is xy, x into y, and minus 4x plus 6y minus 24. Just multiplication of this both expressions. Then here xy will get cancelled. That means here is 0. And minus 4x plus 6y minus 24. So take x and y terms left side. You take the 2 minus, always take 2 common. You can make it reduce. Then that is minus 2x plus 3y minus 12. So 0 by 2 is 0. Therefore 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 12. Okay, 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 12. So let be equation 1. Okay, here 0 by 2 is 0 and these two terms take left side. Now again in case 2, if you observe, next time the train had been slower 6 kilometers, means speed is decreased and time is 6 hours more. Then distance is same like this. Now, so when you observe case 2, now when speed is decreased, so when speed is x minus 6 kilometers per hour and time taken is y plus 6, y plus 6 is hours, then distance is x into y, the speed is x minus 6 into y plus 6. Just simplify this, xy, x into xy plus 6x minus 6y minus 36 is x into y. You cancel this both. Take 6 common, x minus y minus 6. Therefore x minus y is equal to 6. That is equation 2. Okay, here 0 by 6 is 0, remaining is simplified. Now these two equations, if you find the answers for x and y. Here is 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 12, x minus y is 6. So first equation, second equation, x coefficient is 2, x coefficient is 1. Then second equation. So first equation is as this. First equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 12. 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 12. And second equation into 2. That is 2x minus 2y is equals to 12. Subtract this both, you get x and y values. Change the sign, is a plus and this is minus. Minus 3y plus 2y is minus y minus 24. Cancel this minus. Then y is equals to 24. Okay. Y we have taken as time taken, that means 24 hours. So y is equals to 24 hours total original time. Now this y value is substitute in equation 2. Y is equals to 24 in equation 2 substituting. Equation 2 is x minus y is equal to 6. So x minus 24 is 6, then x is equals to 30. X is nothing but your original speed of the train. So original speed is 30 kilometers per hour and the time is 24 hours, right? This way you can solve. Only thing is, whenever it's adding or subtracting, just take the case 1 and case 2 and make it two equations, right? this and these two sums. We can solve in this way problems on speed and time. Now this is about speed and time from this, and we have few more topics. So problems on boat and stream, okay, on areas, time, work, some geometrical questions. So some more topics are there. Let us continue now.